Yeah, that's good. So we back, y'all. Daddy got a little too happy. I was riding my son bike too hard. Yeah, we done went flat. Oh, we done went flat, man. So of course now I gotta go pull up to the bike store. Pull up to the bike store, and we gotta go get a tube, man. And we gotta take this tire off ASAP before my son wake up and come out that door and ready to ride. And yeah, nightmare for a bike rider when it's time to go out and ride. Yes, that's right too. All right, y'all. So we about to be back to it in a second. So we on the way to the bike store. You know what I'm saying? He in his back seat. I got the AC on, so it's gonna get cold. Just give him some time. He's in the back seat watching one of his favorite TV shows that you can see. Paw Patrol kid, man. You see his boots? Show him your boots. Show him your boots. We Paw Patroled up, huh? But yeah, man, we on the way to get the tube, you know. We need that. Can't ride without it. Hope my son don't come to the garage and see it, because he's gonna try to hop on it. He's out. So yeah, man. Back at you in a second. Bike up, I'm gonna get into it and get out. So we gotta go ahead and get that off. Your chain tensioner, get that off. And once we get that loose, we're gonna push it up so that chain can get loose. Pop the tire off. On this side, I'm gonna have to get that screw off. That one, of course. This will control the brake all the way up. So we're gonna, you adjust it to how you like the brake to feel, the back brake. And then you got your drum on the brake. So it's gonna come off, it's gonna detach, boom. We're gonna pull them off, put all these screws and parts in a bucket so you don't lose them. And we're gonna get the new tube up in there, you know what I'm saying? One thing you gotta have, guys, to do this job is a few tubes, man. I mean, you gotta have tubes. If you're trying to work on anything, you don't have no tools, it is impossible.
If you don't have no tools, you have to buy tools.
Tell them again.
If you don't have no tools, you have to buy tools.
Gotta go buy them.
Yeah.
See the socket on this side? So you can hold this one. On the other side. Easy work. Keep me a bucket. Keep all the screws that I need in there. Get that detached. Get your brake lever loose right there. Got the phone.
Oh no.
Get this one out of here.
I'm done with my ice. I'm done with my water, Daddy.
Good job. Yep, but you get that out of there. As you can see, this whole side is disconnected. All I gotta do is get this side, chain tensioner, screw, boom, scoot it up, pull the tire out. Okay, we got the tire off the bike. Got the chain assembly in my hand. It's always good to double check since you're doing this. So I found that a little loose. Tighten that up in the front, as you can see. gap right there. So yeah, got that off. Let's go ahead and pop this tire out. I got them things detached. Brakes out the drum, the disc brakes. Just gonna go ahead and just contact clean. Just go ahead and get some of that good built up brake dust and grime and dirt out of there. Yeah, it is. And you see, it works, man. You see, it looks black. Black. You're gonna spray through that. Get that freshed up, Put that powder on there. Get that traction. You know what I'm saying? Because we finna get up under there. Gonna unscrew this screw right here. Get them off. Make sure you get that powder down in there, cut it good. I'll be back when I pop this thing open. So yeah, I got them. As you can see, don't laugh at my tools, man. Don't laugh at my tools. I know. As you can see though, I'm using a home kitchen spoon and butter knives. The back's pretty thick and solid. So yeah, man, whatever get the job done. Try not to damage my tire too much. I had to bend this one, but I'm not using the sharp side. I'm coming along this side, throwing it in there, and boom. As I go all the way around, pushing it up, boom. All the way around until I get it, popped up all the way how I like it. Shit, after that, you can damn near do it with your hands all the way around. So that's the objective. You just want to take one side off since you just throwing the tube in there. So you just get one side enough till you can pull that tube out, and boom, all the way around. Yep. So we definitely had a hole in it, as you can hear. Let me see if you can hear it. Well, anyway, definitely has a hole in it. Just squeeze it. Hear that? Yep. So this one is officially done, but it's all good. We got the brand new one ready. We got to throw that thing on like a chain. Got the brand new tool ready. We got to install that. My tire broke there. We got to get that in there. I don't need more powder. Thank you, though, beautiful. So like I said, she back at it again. Yep. So we got that tube, the new tube going in there. We're gonna line up your stem hole. We're gonna slide it over there. Make sure we put that little ring on there so when it goes inside, it's not too much friction and shit, But yeah, we about done. Man, so I finally got that stem through there, man. I'm telling you, that's the hardest part right there. That's the hardest part of the job. Getting that stem back through that hole, and you got the tire halfway off. You gotta get it through there, man. You got to. Once you get it in there, you put that screw on there, get it down, the slug, throw some air in there, tighten it all the way. But yeah, man, we on the road to recovery. So I got that tire, that tube back in there, man. Now we're gonna head over to my pump. You might as well throw your air in there now. Save you a little bit of headache. Got me a gauge. So what I'm gonna do, the manual recommends 14.5 PSI. So we're gonna get that thing, right at 14, right under 15. I gotta clear my thing, but yeah, we're gonna get it right there. Throw that thing back on the gang, man. So now we got the tire back on. We all good.